Beet Kvass. Did you know in Ukrainian cuisine it's the healthiest drink? It's full of minerals, vitamins, natural probiotic, completely plant-based, can support your immune system, and only 4 ingredients required. And here's a process how to make step by step. Hi, this is Ina with Innichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. And for the ingredients we need for this naturally healthy drink, beets. It's a star of the drink. And beets, I prefer organic. That's my high recommendation, but any beets will work. Any color actually of beets will work. And we need about 5, depends on the size, 4, 5, or even 6. I recommend to save all your tops from a beets and use just like you would use Swiss chard to cook. Saute, use for the pierogi fillings, you can use for any soups, really for anything. There are endless uses for that, so don't toss it. And for beets, what you want, make sure you wash very well, and then we need to peel. Dry a little bit just to easier to peel and have deal with. Sometimes they have too much dirt trapped. Now it's a perfect time to put your gloves. They are stain your hands in no time. They are very bright color, and you don't want to have for 2 days red hands. In fact, you don't have to peel. Just the drink will be slightly more earthy flavor. If you don't mind, if you're extremely beet lover, then keep it. But I prefer to peel, and you can use little pear knife or you can use potato peeler. Either way will work. I remember growing up, my mom always had in the corner of the kitchen on the floor a big jar with fermented beets. And those beets she actually used to make borscht. And I'm planning actually to make a video to show how to make vegetarian borscht using fermented, full of probiotic beets. So make sure to check this video as well. I like to cut those ends and try to cut all the ends and bits that you can peel just to get rid of it, all unneeded pieces of soil or whatever. They like to trap lots of dirt. My children love beets. Matrona can eat every day if I would let her. And now cut in little chunks, not too small, not too big. Too small, actually, they will ferment too fast and will be mushy. If it's too big, may not easy to use afterwards because we are going to use. Now what we want to do, use clean, nice, white mouth jar, ½ gallon, and just simply add to the jar. This drink is great. I consume every day in the morning on empty stomach, about 2-3 ounces. It's so good, keeps you away from all cold symptoms. So it's especially very helpful during winter when our immune system little bit in compromise, when we have lots of viruses. And next ingredient, the most important, just like any ferments you have ever made, it's salt. Salt is very important, and we need only 1 tablespoon of salt, and we need about 4-5 cups of water, depends how big your beets are, and 1 tablespoon of salt, with heaping tablespoon, I would say. And I'm using Celtic salt. My favorite salt, has so many minerals, and I think it's one of the best salt in my opinion. Make sure it's dissolved. You just stir everything until it's dissolved. And at this point, I like to add honey as well. You can add sugar, but I prefer honey. And then about 3 tablespoons or so, we'll eyeball and give little bit sweetness. Beets naturally has a lot of sweetness, so it's good environment for the good bacteria to grow, and salt helps thrive good bacteria without any bad bacteria to sneak in. So it's a perfect environment to grow healthy, get gut-friendly bacteria. And that's all. Now, at this point, it's good as it is, but I like, since it's make more festive this time of the year, to add some add-ins, some orange peel, lemon peel, just more flavor, and I think it's even better for you. More vitamin C, why not? So just a few strips of orange peel. We'll get straight to the jar. It's very simple, easy, it's very rustic. You don't have to measure to the tooth. And a few pieces of lemon peel as well. Only yellow part, remember, no white part, because it just produces bitterness, and that's what we don't want. And like I said, it's optional, but it's nice. Another thing is ginger. My mom never actually add ginger, but I like it. It gives another little kick, and it's good for you. So probably like 1 inch, and I peel with spoon, and probably will stick as it is. You don't need even slice. Here, and cloves. It's one of my favorite spice, and goes very well with orange. 5, 6 or so. Many things you can add. You can add anise star, peppercorns, or you can skip altogether. It's not necessary. Now, mix all together and leave in a room temperature for about 3 to 5 days. Depends on your kitchen temperature, of course, room temperature. And once a while, you like to release all pressure by opening and sometimes shake. And which each day you will notice how deeper and beautiful color will develop. It will be getting darker and darker, and the beets become more sweeter and more enjoyable flavor for people, especially don't like the earth flavor of beets, but it's so good for you. And here I want to show you, I made a few days ago, and I want to share with you the final product. Let me show you how much produce probiotic bacteria, almost like kombucha or champagne. You hear, you see? And you can use yellow beets as well. I made with pink traditional looking beets and yellow. You can use any beets. My mom actually used, they call watermelon beans. It's white and pink. They're my favorite for making borscht as well. You can do any beets. And here I would like to try, look the color. It's so beautiful ruby color. So delicious, refreshing, slightly salty, and beets has natural nitrates. It's perfect for your heart health. It's just delicious. Make for your friends, make for your family, and have once in a while, or every day actually. I recommend to have some beet kvass. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video at Innichka Chef Kitchen. If you like this content, make sure to check out that list with similar and related content. And bye, see you next time.